Here we go! Now what do you want, Wario?
Your time is over, Mario. It's a Wario time.
Not if I have anything to say about that. What's this I hear about you attacking Luigi?
That was a long time ago. So much has changed, Mario.
Oh yeah? Well, I'll be the judge of that. Something I could do for you, Shadow?
I was looking for Sonic, but you'll do.
I think I will be enough. So you're Sasuke.
And don't even think about calling me Sasuke, honey.
Oh, why not? We call Naruto a little girl. So you're Luffy's brother.
Huh? Yeah, sorta. I hear you can use fire like Luigi can.
I can do more than that. Something about you scares me.
I don't blame you because I will be scared of me too.
No, that's not it. I bet that your face does. So you can use ice?
Yeah. And I'm the best at it.
Well, I can use ice too. Can I help you?
Only Mega Man concerns me, not you, plumber.
Oh wow, I bet you're just full of fun. Are you like a human form of Shadow or Base?
And are you like a fatter version of Luigi?
Ooh, okay, now it's on! You're Ryuko's sister, right?
That's right. And you're Luigi's brother, aren't you?
You look like you mean business. You must know Eren or Mikasa.
Yeah. I guess you can say we have a past.
Then how about we get to know each other? What do you want from my brother?
Our association has nothing to do with you, boy.
My brother is my business. So you're Luigi's mother.
That's right. And you're one of Usagi's sons.
Right. Well, what this is awkward. What do you want, Bowser?
To get rid of you and take Peach.
It's always the same with you. Bowser, enough of this!
As long as I live, Mario, never!
Do not make me destroy you for good! No, this isn't good! Why are you here?
To exterminate every last one of Goku's sons.
Not if I can stop you! Are you the one that brought me here?
I am. Only to bring you death, son of Usagi!
What's your problem anyway? Who are you?
Madara Uchiha. I was looking for Naruto Uzumaki.
Well, you got me instead. Let's go. What do you want with Luffy?
None of your damn business, kid.
Does my mustache make me look like I'm a kid? Ichigo's told me a lot about you.
So he sends you to die an early death. How pointless.
Well, no. He also told me how to stop you. Who are you? What do you want?
Get out of my sight. I have no problems with you.
Even so, I can't let you roam where you like. If you know Mega Man, shouldn't you be helping us?
I despise humanity, including its protector.
Well, there's a lot more of us than Mega Man. Looking for Sonic?
I have no business with you, weakling.
I've changed since we last met, Metal Sonic. Why are you here, Junior?
You killed my father!
And now I kill you, Mario!
Your father gave me no choice! Stop this now, Junior!
I'll stop while you're dead, Mario!
You are leaving me no choice, Junior! What is this scary creature?
No matter. I will suck you up like the rest.
This guy is real dangerous! So much power!
For you to challenge me is nothing but a joke.
It doesn't mean I won't try, you monster!